The fashion industry, a world of glamour and allure, has hidden side, a complex web of trends, rarely glimpsed environmental and supply chains and manufacturing processes often shrouded in secrecy. Shoppers seduced by low prices and fleeting trends rarely glimpse the environmental and human toll behind their purchases. Yet, as awareness grows about the impact of fast fashion, consumers increasingly demand ethical practices and sustainable solutions. This demand for transparency and accountability has placed immense pressure on international fashion brands. They can no longer afford to ignore the ethical and environmental consequences of their actions. From the cotton fields to the factory floor, from design studios to retail shelves, every stage of the fashion supply chain presents challenges, creates the more just and sustainable
Transparency in the
industry.
supply chain.
A critical step towards ethical fashion lies in the supply chain
Consumers
transparency.
want
Want to know where their products came from, who made them, and under what conditions. There are brands that has built their reputations on radical transparency, openly sharing information about their factory suppliers and production processes. However, achieving full transparency is a complex undertaking, often requiring brands to navigate intricate and supplies and contractors in many multiple countries. Others view transparency as a way to build trust with consumers and gain competitive edge. One of the most pressing clinical issues in the fashion industries is the labor
treatment
practices,
of
unsafe
workers.
working conditions, and poverty level wage endemic many parts of the world. Transparency is another key focus. International brands discloses detailed supplier information and explores blockchain technology to ensure traceability on its supply chain. Marketing campaigns emphasizes eco-friendly products like those created in partnership, educating consumers about recycling programs. There are also brands that actively addresses any labor violations. However, monitoring and enforcing ethical standards across the vast and complex supply chain remains significant challenge. Furthermore, the rise of the fast fashion has led a surge of textile waste. To address these environmental challenges, brands are exploring more sustainable resources. Companies are using eco-friendly technologies to save water during production and creates recyclable products. When it comes to addressing ethical failures, they issue public apologies, investigate and implement corrective actions so that brands enhance their reputation, foster loyalty, and stay